Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for tuning in. So this video is another healthy on-the-go snack idea for you. What do I have today? Before I show you, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you are notified of different upcoming videos so you don't miss any upcoming health and wellness tips and tricks. So what am I snacking on? I have a delicious crisp apple. Apples are in season. 'Tis the season because it is fall, so delicious. And so that is the complex carb, right? So we need some fat and some protein. You might be thinking I'm going to whip out a cheese stick, right? But I'm going to switch it up and show you some nuts. So I have unsalted peanuts all the time in my center console. So when I am hungry and stuck in traffic, I have a healthy snack to munch on. Why unsalted? Because let's face it, if they were honey roasted, I'd probably eat the entire jar. So only a few handfuls of unsalted nuts, and this apple is going to be a healthy on-the-go snack for me. What types of peanuts or nuts are your favorite? Comment below, say hi. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.